Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw on Loop via the contract without accessing the DApp, which is the website. You can as well withdraw directly via the contract, alright, on the blockchain. So the first thing you need to do is you copy the contract address and head over to the BSC scan. So this is the contract. I've already copied it, and you can see 35 days ago. Right. So the next thing you are going to look at is head over to the contract aspect, which is this. You see token transfer. I'll just go to the contract aspect. So this is the code, the line of code, the whole thing the project entails. All right. So this is a line of code, but that is not what we are interested in. We just want to, interact directly from the contract to see that this project is not a website based, not only a website based, there is everything that the contract entails is actually working. So the next thing you do is you click on read contract. So what I'm going to do is first of all check the balance in my account. All right, I'm going to check the balance in my account to see how much I have and I want to withdraw. So first thing, you need to connect your wallet. So connect to Web3. So click to connect to Web3. So you choose any of the wallet, but if it is not listed here, just click on wallet connect. Okay, so I have connected the wallet, but if you are doing it for the first time, it will actually redirect you to your wallet to approve it. So if you are using token pocket, it will show there, redirect you to your wallet, whichever wallet to approve it. But because I have connected it before, so it has connected automatically. So the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down and go to number 8, get available reward here. So I'll click on it. So the next thing I will do is to go and copy my wallet address from my wallet. So I already copied for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to paste it here and click on query. All right. Can you see? Can you see now? So I have a total of 4.2 USDT on my total available balance. Daily ROI available, I'm having 0 because my loop cycle is still running, so I don't have there. But network available, I have 4.2. So actually I have 4.2, and in total I have 11.2 in total, but I've withdrawn $7 before now. So if you add the 4.2, everything will be 11. So I have 4.2 available. So now having know the available balance, so the next thing I will do is to go to read a write contract session. So after I click on write contract session, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on connect to Web3 again. Click on wallet connect if your wallet is not showing. So you see, I'm going to choose token pocket in the course of this video. So you can see here connect. So you can see as I minimize here, my balance is 0. My balance is 0. I'm not having any balance here. So let's proceed with the withdrawal. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the second one, claim reward. So once you click on the claim reward, the first thing you need to do, click on this plus icon here and select 10 to 18 digits. All right, so click on add. So it will automatically add here. So what I'm just going to do is to change this one here to the amount I want to. So I want to withdraw $4. in case of this video 4. So now I'm good to go. The next thing I'll do, I'll click on write contract. So it will first of all it will confirm this transaction. So I'm going to put my password. So done. I've already withdraw successfully using the contract without accessing the website. So you can see, you can view this transaction here, $4 to, and also you can go to my wallet and confirm. Let's refresh. You can see $4 have arrived. So this is to tell you that you can actually interact with the website and with the contract itself without accessing the website. All right, you can do this any time of the day, anywhere. So let's say the website is not responding, you can actually do it via the blockchain, which is the code. All right, so this is one of the things that make this project a more decentralized. That is, you can actually interact with the contracts via the blockchain without the accessing the website. So it's not just a website program based web project. All right. So I'll see you next on the next video. Bye.